Hello everyone. You all know what a swap is. The act of exchanging one token for another token. But what makes this exchange possible? It's time to talk about liquidity pools. Liquidity pools are reserves of tokens, usually a target token paired with a stable or reference token, created to ensure their availability during transactions like swaps. To illustrate the link between swaps and liquidity pools, let's take the example of exchanging an atom for USDC. By making this exchange, you deposit atoms into the Atom USDC pool and take USDC in return. Suppose one atom is worth 5 USDC. You will get 5 USDC. Minus the swap fee of 0.2%. Totaling 4.99 USDC. Hey! Wait a minute. Go back. Indeed, liquidity pools, or the market, can incur costs that can alter the final result of your operation. Price impact and slippage, which you can see in your transaction details, are factors to consider. Let's address the first, price impact. Just as gatekeepers jumping into Maxime's pool cause some ripples, your swaps can affect the concerned pool depending on the liquidity depth or the size of your order. Price impact refers to the variation in the price of an asset pair caused by your transaction. An example. Let's simulate the swap of 10,000 atoms, approximately $463,000. This represents about a third of the Atom USDC pool, totaling $1,476,000 in liquidity. While this does not affect the fixed swap fees, the impact on the pool's asset prices is certain and results in a price impact, fees of 32.4%. And a swap result of $311,000 instead of $463,000. Now let's talk about slippage. The mechanism is quite similar to that of price impact, in a liquid pools, with little liquidity, or in a very volatile market, subject to strong inflows and outflows, asset prices can vary significantly and quickly. There may be a difference in the exchange rate between the time you place your order and its validation. This is called slippage, and unlike price impact, it depends on market variations. To protect its users, Ellis Network limits slippage to 1%. Beyond this threshold, the transaction will not be executed. In transaction details, this is reflected by the difference between the amount you should receive and the minimum amount you will receive, in the case of a maximum slippage of 1%. If everything is okay, the transaction is validated.